What's up to all of you? And this is your Denver Ninong Kaso once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers! Yeah. And today is the first episode of our new vlog department and our vlog that will encourage and to give us a special tour promoting tourism, business, lifestyle dito sa ating Ninong sa Laguna. So today we are having the first episode of Ninong sa Laguna that is tackling about the business, the life. So it's just like a partner of Ninong sa Japan. So after natin mag-Japan, pupunta naman tayo sa Laguna. So Ninong sa Laguna is a new vlog department of your Ninong so that we can market, we can promote, we can enlighten the lifestyle, the people it's there, and for promoting tourism and crops and plants and economy. Diba? So this is a good video blog that we are creating under by the NKB Corporation so that we can encourage the travelers, the people who is watching, finding a place na saan sila pwede mag-vacation, mag-food trip, and a spot, great spot to promote our Philippine tourism. So, support local, love local. So, sa ating episode 1 in our Ninong sa Laguna is tackling about the lifestyle. Sabi ko nga, lifestyle, it can be tour, it can be places, food trip, and business. Pero, bago tayo mag-Laguna, especially sa mga magta-travel, ano nga bang meaning or ano bang meron sa Laguna at ano ang kanyang origin as part of our education. So, Laguna sa Spanish, topographic name from Laguna Pool, pond, from Latin lacuna, hollow hole, or a habitational name from any of numerous places called Laguna, a bay, inlet or other narrow or shallow body of water. So this is composed of water resort na mapapansin nyo dito sa Laguna is more on water resort, diba, na something like we are discovering yung mga ocean, yung mga beaches, yung mga lake. So, dito sa Laguna is a form of waterfall. So, nandyan yung waterfall na sikat, yung Maria Cristina Fall. Diba? So, for the first episode na aking itatampok sa inyo, sa ating mga travelers, may Laguna tours for business, for lifestyle, and for people. At makocover ko na rin dito yung pagpunta namin sa Enchanted Kingdom. Because basically, when you hear Enchanted Kingdom, that is located in Laguna also. So, dito natin madidiscover na yung pinupunta nating Enchanted ay isa ring form ng business. Of course, kasi kikita yung mga tao doon, magbebenta ng ticket, pagkain, rides. So, everything matters, drives there is founding an investment. So, dito natin madidiscover ang buhay ng pagiging isang Lagunenyo or Laguna. Diba? So, we will check it out on the first line of Ninong sa Laguna. episode of Ninong sa Laguna is live here in Laguna. In Enchanted Kingdom, we will discover the business of amusement tourism that they promote here in Laguna. So makikita natin dito yung mga pamilya, mga tao, mga kaibigan, at mga beautiful views. So this is one of our first episode of our Ninong sa Laguna to discover the lifestyle business and the cultural that they have here in Laguna. Kaya si Ninong yun nasa Laguna. Okay, so we will discover ito sa Enchanted Kingdom. What's all about dito sa lugar na ito. Dr. Ninong also having a field trip dito na since grade 3 in their days, no? 2005 to 2007 and lastly noong 2017 with sister. Hello mga sisters.
Hello.
Basa.
Ito bagong ligo ang Ninong nyo. Nanginginig kami. Tignan nyo naman, oh. Halos bumakit na kami ng langit. Pataas pababa. Tignan nyo, ganda. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang intense ng ating experience at naligo na rin ako.
Guys!
So ngayon naman, ang next nare-ride namin na ito. Ayan. Roller coaster. Mga sinusundo na talaga. Puro pang fly out. Talaga. Experience na dito nyo with the fun. Our next ride will be the roller coaster with the fun. Nakita na naman makulis ang aming kakayahan. Experience. Nakaupo nga kami pero parang lumilipad kami, no?
Yeah.
What's your experience? Wala siyang masabi. Super!
Parang movie!
Yes, parang tayong
It's
movie.
3D glasses. Let's see if you're 3D.
Oo, nakita mo yung friends mo?
Oh, yeah, you're 3D!
Nakita mo yung friends mo?
No, I don't know.
Ano naman kaya next na kami mas mararide dito sa UK?
So it's like people now. Sometimes just to make you see. We need you, you and me now.
Sa gitna.
You should know this song. So get up out of my head. Fall into my voice and say, I don't know what it is. I need that one thing. You got that one thing. You don't notice at all that I'm going out of my mind all day and all night. So it's gotta give it now. There's a die just to know your name. And I need you now. 'Cause you've got that one thing. So get up out of my head. Fall into my arms and you say, I don't know what it is. I need that one thing. So get up out of my mind. Come into my life. I don't know what it is. I need that one thing. You've got that one thing. You've got that one thing. Get out of my head. Fall into your arms and you say, so get up out of my head. Fall into my arms and you say, I don't know what it is. I need that one thing. So get up out of my life. Come into my life. I don't know what it is. I need that one thing. You've got that one thing. Thank you so much. An enchanting afternoon to everyone. Once again, we are Kingsmen, and we are here to serenade all of you this amazing afternoon.
Yes, and before we move on, we would like to greet everyone.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Yes. So, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
And remember, be the magic, be enchanted.
Be the best every day. Ako, grabe. Nakakahilo. Ano pa kayong next na pangpahilo ay pangpa-happiness na mararanasan dito?
Yeah, roller coaster. Ito yung trick para hindi matakot. Close your eyes or yung tenga at i-hold still. Hold
Oh,
still.
baka pagising natin na sa galaxy tayo niyan.
Hindi.
Ako nga rin, itutuloy ko nagbabarilan tayo kay Tanggol eh. Diba? Habang lumilipad, binabaril natin si David. si Don Emil. Don Ramon ba yun? Ayun. So next, ano pa ang ating next na masasakyan?
Di natin alam.
Ayun, we are still live here sa EK. We are still live, maganda, happiness, nakaka-revive, nakakabuhay. Wag lang masobrahan. Baka nasa ibang mundo na tayo yan. But anyway, very happy. Still, research pa rin ng ating family activity dito. Okay. Okay, just discover my Laguna adventure. So, we are discovering the lifestyle. So, nakita natin yung mga magagandang tanawin. So, yun ang unang makikita natin. At ang favorite view ng ninong nyo, when I go to Laguna, is yung mga mapupuno talaga, yung mga gardening, farm. Lalong-lalo na, nandun din si Maria Makiling. Yung malaking what they call this, mountain na parang babae ng kahigay hugis. So, that's also part in Laguna as the tourist spot. At meron daw story doon na isa daw yung babae talaga na higante. Or dalawang story kasi ang akin na-adapt eh. Higanteng babae na natulog lang hanggang sa naging mountain siya. And then next story naman is mountain na talaga siya na mukhang babae. Tapos sa lugar na yun, may babae talaga or diyosa or diwata na tagapagbantay ng Laguna. So that's only a specious mythical story. And then, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, that was a story written of Jose Rizal. Diba? So, maraming mga sabi-sabi, maraming mga lesson. But anyway, ang punto ko naman dito is for livelihood, business, lifestyle, and I do respect naman yung mga story na yan. We just respect naman, diba? Huwag nating i-judge na kung ano pinagagawa nila. But anyway, we only have is the truth, and the legit. Okay. So, ito, legit naman to. Na-discover nyo yung business, yung lifestyle, yung people, na ano bang meron, ano bang ginagawa ng mga tao sa Laguna. Diba? So, next naman, si Daddy ko Dennis rin, nag-Laguna tour din last 2024 sa kanyang work. Meron kasi siyang work last year sa office, sa kanyang office company tour, ang tawag dito. And then they go to Laguna for their special seminar. And then, na-discover ni Daddy doon yung mga magagandang tanawin at mga magagandang places na pwede nating ma-discover sa Laguna while tackling the business. So, the life and skills while exploring the beauty na meron sa Laguna. Diba? So, we are exploring, we are enjoying, and we are also learning from that places. So, next slide, my Daddy ko Dennis on his Laguna tour. Okay, you've just discover Daddy Dennis on his Laguna tour. Talagang mapuno talaga. Yung mga favorite place ng Ninong yung pag mga travel, no? Yung mga magaganda yung view, yung may mga puno-puno, mga mountain, no? Tapos nakaupo ka, and then you are listening a great song, di ba? Ang gandang feeling yung mga ganong moment. So, you've just discover once again the lifestyle, the business, people, activities that doing in Laguna. My tour and the Daddy's tour. Ngayon naman, syempre, because we are learning what's all about Laguna as our new vlog department nating ipopromote at itatampok dito sa ating mga watchers, travelers, and for subscribers, and for our students. Special shout out na pwede nyo matutunan na what's all about Laguna. So next naman, ano yung mga CSR na pwede nating ma-discover sa Laguna? Like, we are not only enjoying the lifestyle, the anything there, pero syempre, importante rin yung mag-bless tayo. As we feel blessed from the Lord in Jesus, ano nga ba yung blessing or tulong na pwede nating ma-adapt or ma-discover sa Laguna? Paano tulungan ng mga LGU, business persons, mga mayors, governor of Laguna, diba? So, it's just like how they help, how they serve the people and the economy. So, ito naman to promote peoples for their education na makatulong sa kapwa, diba? So, we will check out Laguna CSR from the business person, business sectors, governors, and other endeavors for this particular. Check it out.
natin na kay buti't ligaya, pagkakaisa sa bayang pinagpala ng isang buklod ng pag-ibig na dakila. Aral ni Kristo'y ibinabandila. Kristiyano ako, Kristiyano tayo, pagmamahalan natin ang patunay ito. Ang ating lahat ng katotohanan, bansang pangarap, lahi ng mga hinilang. Ang bayan masikap sa mabubuting gawa, Diyos ang sandigan, salamat kasama sa kapatiran, tunay ang galinga. Lumiliwanag na sa mundong natilimlan, ipinapahayag sa Diyos ang karangalan. Kristiyano ako, Kristiyano tayo, pagmamahalan na.
Okay, thank you for watching, and God bless all of us. Dito po nagtatapos ang ating first video vlog na Ninong sa Laguna. So we are discovering for tourism, for business, lifestyle, people, CSR, and to help to promote our very own Philippines. This is also a good video vlog na tayo po ay makatulong at makapagbigay ng serbisyo na what's all about Laguna, especially sa mga travelers, sa mga foreigner that want to discover more on our Philippine tourism, Philippine culture. So Laguna is one of the places that you may discover. At nadi-discover din ng ninong nyo way back 2005, 2006. On my field trip days, I always go to Laguna and I love that places. Beautiful and great. Lalo na sa EK, Enchanted Kingdom, the House of Jose Rizal. Ayun, soon, mako-cover din natin yan. Sadly nga lang, panay ang punta ko doon. Ang ninong nyo kasi, hindi pa ma-millennial nung araw. Wala pa akong mga sariling camera or any picture video. But I will try my best to cover a special picture or a lesson na matatampok natin si Mr. Jose Rizal. Kasi taga Laguna rin siya. Thank you. You may subscribe, buy this video blog for only 150 pesos and 80 pesos for screen record. And let's share, like, and promote the lifestyle and the program that we have in Laguna. Okay, once again, this is your Ninong. And this is Ninong sa Laguna. Thank you for watching.